Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that isn't controlled by any government or central authority. Instead, it relies on technology called blockchain to verify transactions and keep everything secure. Blockchain is a public ledger, a digital record where all cryptocurrency transactions are stored. Think of it like a notebook that anyone can read but no one can erase. Each transaction gets added to a block, and then that block is linked to the next one. This creates a chain of blocks, hence blockchain. Once a block is added, it can never be changed or deleted. Mining is how new cryptocurrency coins are created. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex problems, and the first to solve it adds a new block to the blockchain and gets rewarded with new coins. Mining is crucial because it secures the network and verifies transactions, ensuring everything is legitimate. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are among the most popular cryptocurrencies. Each one has its own unique features. For example, Bitcoin is often seen as a store of value, while Ethereum allows developers to build applications on its blockchain. Cryptocurrencies are used for many reasons. Some people see them as an investment, while others use them for faster and cheaper transactions, especially in countries with unstable currencies. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Inner Workings, for more great videos. Like and share our videos channel to help support us so we can continue to provide more great content for our viewers. For more finance resources and tools, head over to our blog website Finance Over Everything at https://sites.google.com/view/financeovereverything/home.